Imagine a world where plants and fungi communicate to boost growth. Scientists have discovered a groundbreaking technology that decodes the secret language of mycorrhizal networks. These fungi form symbiotic relationships with plant roots, exchanging nutrients and information. This tech breakthrough allows us to harness these networks to enhance crop yields sustainably. By understanding these fungal signals, we can optimize plant health without harmful chemicals. This innovation is revolutionizing agriculture, offering a glimpse into a future where nature and technology work hand in hand. It's a game changer for food security and environmental sustainability.